Hey guys, hope you are doing well. You enjoying your weekend with family and friends. The crypto market is doing well. We see few altcoins are correcting, but few just pumping. And Bitcoin is showing some signs that it wants to break out. So we will go into deeper all these technical analysis and also the major crypto news. My name is Mike Denkler. I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, DeFi, NFT gems every day to keep you updated and educated. Nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, so everything just for your education and also for entertainment. So if you haven't subscribed, just push the subscribe button, push the bell notification all, and smash that like, and let's check our favorite bubble chart. And you see that we see few coins are correct back, like Loopring, Helium, OMG, Cardano, but they pumped in the past few days. So just look at on Loopring, you see it pumped more than 100% in the past week. Also, Cardano pumped 70% in the past week. Helium 36% in the past week. So then we can allow them to correcting a little bit. But we see Avalanche, IOTEX, Raka, Luna, CRO, Art, Sand, and Maker, also Mana. So the metaverse coins are pumping. Hex is correcting, but Hex rallied the last week 24%. And also we see RV Pumpant and ICB Curve. So a few other layer on, and my coin is pumping. Binance coin is also up 4%. So let's check our favorite bubble chart, and we are at 72. This is in the red zone. And as guys, you know that if you are looking back during September and summer months, that the fear was fear dominated the market, and when investors are fearful, that's a good buying opportunity. So there's lots of cheap buying opportunity during the summer. And when investors are getting too greedy, and also these index indicator can go above 90 and stay there for months and weeks, and then it's due for a correction. So let's go into our first news. Bitcoin hitting 59,000 would be extremely hassy, says there as BTC price retraces. Okay, so if Bitcoin would retrace 59, that would be hassy. And this chart is from Michael Fund and Popper. Let's check this chart. Bullish or bearish? So I think this is somehow for me is bullish, but a retrace even 20 or 30% is just that's it in this priced in. A drop to 59, 61,000 followed by some consolidation would be the best way to continue the bull run, in my opinion. It tweeted Galaxy on the Twitter. Might not happen, but it would be extremely hassy for both BTC and alts. Be prepared either way. Larger losses loom for altcoins. Also, as the Bitcoin dominance is also just started to go up, and this Polkadot, even if the Parachain launch is going on, and definitely check out the video 2 days ago about Polkadot staking and Polkadot Parachain auctions. And then even if it's going on, the event Polkadot started to coming down, but I think that will provide nice buying opportunity sometime. Our next piece of news is Bitcoin derivatives market healthier than in Q1, says research after fresh leverage shakeout. So this shakeout from the new all-time high at 68,600 to just back then 63,000. This was due for over-leveraged long positions. This is the Bitcoin futures annualized raw 3 months basis, and this is showing that That was in January and April 2021, this time period, and then after the peak euphoria, the shakeout, the dip during May and July, and then October, November is a healthier basis as Bitcoin futures are as rolling. So see Binance CME. So CME is the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So this chart is not overextended. The first Bitcoin spot ETF decision. Okay, so I should say to you that the SEC just refused this spot ETF. I think it was 1x ETFs, but so they did not accept that. But we'll see. I'm sure that with time we will see the first spot Bitcoin ETF as well. Bitcoin due to hit 90,000 US dollar in coming weeks, despite pullback. Latest technical analysis. Let's see. High time frames remain bullish. We remain bullish on high time frames and continue to expect the price to rally up to the 85,000 US dollar and 90,000 US dollar in the coming weeks, which aligns with the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and this is set by Decentralized. Okay, as we attempt to break out of the previous all-time high from May this year, it is setting up the prospect of a potential parabolic run-up as we saw in the late stages of the previous bull runs. Okay, so this is this year, the previous bull market, and the 2013, this blue one, and the orange is 2017. And also average days to all-time high. And yes, so we will see a nice, so that was a nice peak, but it's somehow just delayed this time, and I think this is counted from the halving, if I'm right. But it's somehow now it's delayed, but we are still going up, and we haven't experienced yet this parabolic movement. Taproot meets ETF decision Sunday. Yes, Taproot will be the smart contracts and higher level of privacy on Bitcoin, and it will be completed in this weekend, so hopefully tomorrow. And also, I think it is not priced in. So will we see a similar rally this time around, given how bullish many macro indicators are looking right now, and the rush of new money entering crypto is certainly possible, because that was a huge rally when the SegWit upgrade happened in August 2017, and Bitcoin went up from 4,000 up to 20,000 US dollar. And I think nobody's talking about Taproot, and I think that it's not priced in yet. Let's go to our next news. Square unveils plans to have Bitcoin become the native currency for the internet. It's really huge because we know that Square's founder Jack Dorsey is one of the biggest Bitcoin pioneers, and he is supporting Bitcoin all the time. But also that was a news a few days ago that Twitter wants to create a decentralized social media, adding more decentralized applications, NFTs, blockchain applications, and so on and so on. And now they are announcing that they plan the Bitcoin to become the native currency of the internet. So Bitcoin reach a mainstream audience while at the same time strengthening the network and ecosystem. We have a number of initiatives toward that goal. I think this is huge, and also they have so this is not Twitter, but all the same like Square. Square market cap is currently 110 billion US dollar. Our focus is on helping Bitcoin to become the native currency for the internet. We have a number of initiatives. Both are focused on helping Bitcoin reach a mainstream audience while at the same time strengthening the network and the ecosystem. So I think it's huge, and in the same time they are also strengthening the crypto and the decentralization. But Jack Dorsey believes in the one and only Bitcoin. So even if they are supporting other cryptos, he believes that Bitcoin will be that native currency for the internet, and all others will disappear someday. But I don't think so. But I think also layer ones and Bitcoin can develop further together. Our next piece of news is Bitcoin company Bakkt will now also offer Ethereum to customers. So Bakkt is owned by the New York Stock Exchange, and they are selling Bitcoin to customers, and also they are providing Visa card to customers. And now they will add Ethereum, and clients will be able to buy, sell, send, and spend Ethereum as well. So this is huge, but I don't know why they are going so slowly with this, because Bakkt is here for more than 10 years now. So why cannot they add, let's say, the top 10 cryptos and also other networks? So, but for now, I'm really happy on this, and this is good news for Ethereum further adoption. But I would add so many other top coins, maybe also the top 20s. So Microsoft to offer Mesh, a corporate metaverse for teams. So guys, after Facebook announced that they will change the name and also the entire social media platform to a metaverse, now Microsoft also announcing that they will launch a metaverse inspired feature for its teams app called Mesh. Mesh will allow users to introduce personalized avatars in digital worlds, making meetings more immersive. The platform is being announced on the heels of Facebook's pivot to becoming a metaverse dedicated company, changing its name to Meta. Okay, so they are creating a virtual space for teams and for workers and for collaborators and partners. And I think this will kind of new event when we are living our life, and also we are working together, and we are doing kind of conferences and meetings in the metaverse. Our next piece of news is Coinbase makes Shiba Inu crypto available to New York residents after adding SHIB trading pairs. So maybe this is Coinbase Pro, and also we know that in New York a lot of kind of crypto things are prohibited. So the Nasdaq-listed crypto exchange Coinbase has made Shiba Inu cryptocurrency available to New York residents who can now trade, buy, sell, and store Shiba on Coinbase. This announcement follows the exchange adding Shiba trading pair. Okay, so this is just for New York residents. So I think Shiba already was Shiba Euro, Shiba British Pounds order books are now in full trading mode. Limit market and stop orders are all now available, but I think New Yorkers will not trade the Euro and the British Pound pairs. But yeah, so good news for Shiba holders. Okay, so that's all the news, and also here is this Twitter news that Twitter announces a team to focus on crypto, dApps, NFTs, and blockchain technology. And guys, yeah, so before we are going to check the charts, so definitely come. And yesterday or the day before, let's see when, I think just I made this video. Let's check this video. So come and check this staking Polkadot. Check out this video. Also, you will find in the description a link where you can come and you can stake your Polkadot in the Parachain. First, you have to get this Polkadot wallet. So go to polkadot.js.org, and then you will set up your wallets there. And then you will just, if clicking on the link in the description, you will be redirected to the Parallel.fi Crowdloan, and this is the best Crowdloan option according to my opinion, because you will get a stable 15% reward on your DOT, and also you will get additional bonuses just check this, so you will get all these bonuses. And as earlier you come, that a higher bonus you get. And also if you are choosing the parallel from this list. So here are Akala, Moonbeam, Astar, Parallel. If you are choosing Parallel and you are redirected to this page, then also with Parallel, you will able to take out a loan on your staked dots, and then you can do whatever you want. So definitely I suggest. And let's take a look on CorionX farms. So APR started to go down a little bit, but still about 200% APR at CorionX BNB pair, and CorionX BUSD pair still has more than 500% APR. I don't recommend to use the BNB BUSD API because there is a deposit fee, and it's taking 47% of your deposit. This is just for some testing, and all other things are just for testing. So use CorionX BNB, CorionX BUSD farms on Binance Smart Chain. Also, you can go to Ethereum, but you have to count with the high gas fees. Let's go and check what Bitcoin is doing. So Bitcoin is sidewaving on the 4-hourly chart, and it just came down in this bull flag, and it seems on the 4-hourly that broke out from this bull flag and now retesting. But also we have some horizontal levels at 62,500 and 60,000 US dollar levels. The Bitcoin dominance is side waving. So also broke this resistance, but now side waving. If Bitcoin will catch up from here and going north, then altcoins will just lagging and bleeding. So watch out what Binance coin is doing. So Binance coin looks really good for me, and also Binance coin looks for me that wants to break a kind of resistance, and also doing a retest. And Avalanche started a nice rally today, almost up 10%. And also with this, Avalanche made a new all-time high. And also Avalanche was in this bull flag and now broke and reached the new all-time high, almost the new all-time high. So I'm definitely bullish on Avalanche and also on Avalanche ecosystem, Trader Joe, Time, Wonderland, and all other Avalanche ecosystem projects. So yes, let's go and check some other coins. I think Cake is really undervalued, but also I find some nice other exchanges like BSwap, and definitely we will contact BSwap that we wanna add CorionX to BSwap, and I think BSwap is a kind of really potential competitor for Pancake. You have nice farms, launch pools like zero pools, huge APRs, and also audited by Certic. So I really like this platform. So definitely we want to list and add CorionX here. I also will contact the team soon. But Cake is still in the downtrend. Maybe we'll broke up here. Yes, DOT is still going down, and maybe it will turn the downtrend when breaking this downward trending trend line. Ethereum, actually Ethereum, it's back in the our trading channel, and also if Ethereum can get some strength here, that I expect to go to the upper at least in the middle, but at the upper level of this channel. Phantom is now correcting. This is not Phantom, this is FTT. Also FTT is correcting. Phantom is side waving. And what else? Luna, Terra Luna is doing well. Also broke up nicely. Matic is still consolidating but bounced on the support zone. And Rune Torchain starting to, yeah, so it's really nice. So if it will break this 13.3 resistance, then I expect Rune rallying. Solana is doing also well, forming a kind of pull flag. And let's see what else. WeChain is a little bit weak now. Also broke out from this channel, came back, so it's kind of fake out. So we'll wants to see more movement from VeChain. Moonriver is doing well. It's getting closer to break our trend line. Also, Shiba Inu is sidewaving between support and resistance, bounced on the resistance, but haven't reached bounced on the support, but haven't reached the resistance yet. So I would trade cautious. Sand, okay, Sand broke up nicely. So that was a huge breakout and broke out nicely, and now targeting a new all-time high. And Cardano is still also looking really good for me, but broke up for, so if you were able to buy up some Cardano, that's good for you. Loopring still consolidating, so I would look out for some lower levels to pick up some loopring. So guys, this is for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Please write in the comment section that what is your price prediction for Bitcoin for the end of the year, and also what is your favorite altcoins beside CorionX. And please smash the like, push the bell, notification on, and share this video with your friend, share this video in social media groups, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.